trouble in the sector 9. No doubt he's the work of that nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Third.
That's on the front list. Sit back, getting forward,
Back again. All right. Behind him. All right.
Remember your training. Always remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Stow your stuff forward and sit back. I'm gonna lower your cruiser shield.
Let's try your glasses out real quick. Yes! Bullseye every time. Nice! Alright, you've got the stick. Make sure Zerg's plans fail to launch.
The Zerg's rust bucket to the scrap heap. Lightyear Space Rangers, you're doing great. Join me together to defeat the boss fights here. Keep it up. Star Command believes in you, and so do I.
Attention Space Rangers, your Star Cruisers have been temporarily deactivated. For your safety, please remain seated. Your mission will resume momentarily. Attention Space Rangers, your mission will resume immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
Keep blasting those bugs.
Attention Space Rangers, your Star Cruisers have been temporarily deactivated. For your safety, please remain seated. Your mission will resume momentarily.
Remember, we fear no foe, not even these. Whatever they are.
We broke down. Almost got Galactic Hero.
A few minutes later.
Oh, the score's still there. Yay.
Excellent maneuvering.
Space Rangers, your mission will resume immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
Well done, team. Stay laser focused. power songs for transport.
Celebration! I'll steer you in. You're all rocket stars! Kick back, I'll bring you in for landing.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.
Oh, snaps! Final one for you, Ed.
Almost got 2 million. Three. Okay.
That was so fun.